A bullet is fired from ground level, is height above the ground in feet at time t seconds is given by the following equation. This equation describes the path of the bullet. Notice it's a quadratic equation, so the path of the bullet is going to look like a parabola. And then the number in front of the square term is negative, so the parabola is opening down. So the bullet leaves here, reaches a maximum height, and then hits the ground. They would like us to find the vertex, the time at which the bullet reaches a maximum height, the maximum height, and the time at which the bullet hits the ground. So we're going to find the vertex. You use this formula to find the vertex. This will give you the x-coordinate of the vertex. So you need to identify the a and the b. The a is the number in front of the square term, which will be negative 16. The b is the number in front of the term that's to the first power. So b is 704. You plug them in, simplify, and that gives you the x. Notice the x is like your t, and the y is like your h. Since we just found the x, you need to substitute it back into the equation to find the y, which is like your h. So your x equals 22 is like your t being 22. You plug it back in, and it gives you the h. So this is the height. Now the interpretation. The interpretation of the vertex means that the bullet reached 7,744 feet in 22 seconds. So this is the maximum height because it's the vertex. This is a drawing of the bullet's path. Notice in 22 seconds, it reached a maximum height of 7,744 feet. In the last question, they would like us to find how much time did it take to hit the ground. What you could do is remember that every parabola has an axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry cuts the parabola in half. So t equals 22 is halfways. That's 22 seconds to reach its maximum height. So another 22 seconds would get it here. So it'd be 22 plus 22 is 44. So it hits the ground after 44 seconds.